Guys, it's your boy, Moon Boy. But today I'm taking my YouTube channel. It's not gonna be Kendrick. It's gonna be called Flower Boy. Nah, not Flower Boy. Wait. I'll think of it later. Okay, so another day for Higuruma. Let's go. What did I just do? Yeah, never mind. Can I go Can I go to a different area?
Why does this bother me so much? I mean, I don't want to be one of those people who tells their boyfriend they want to spend 24 hours a day with him. Sure. It's just that he doesn't know that much about you,
Never mind. Let's go pop up.
領域展開 Are you sure?
Okay, so we'll go with okay, so alright, this is how does it whip on it? He's Gojo now, bro. Okay, let's go here. Wait, that's it. Oh my god. Oh, that's the game, man. Alright, final judgment. Yeah, see, like now, it's one shot. So if you do it like oh wait, they'll still die? Wait, what? Okay. Okay, but hey, triple six. But it's like everything is one shot now. That takes 3 hits. All the other ones take 1 hit. Final Judgment is a really good one. This is what but that worked on me careful. Yo. Wait, hold on, wait, hold on. Yo, what? The sword is crazy. Okay. I want to see what all day working. Okay. On Earth. Okay. Stance. But yeah, that stance.
You're just clearly not familiar with our young person vernacular. When we say
Alright, yeah.